Hey traders, a quick and very early update here on net gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have? Alright, as you can see, the price is now pushing up nicely towards this major level of resistance. Almost there. All I want to see a good bearish signal, and my bearish signal will be a next candle must close as a bearish engulfing candle. If we have that signal, we are good to go. Short target will be 180. Our stop loss will be above the wick once we get a good signal. If the price push up within this zone, forms a double top pattern, in that case we have a very good sell signal as well if you are a less aggressive trader. I want to see a signal something like this, exactly like this, if you want to enter in an aggressive way with bearish engulfer or a double top entry pattern. I will also look for the inverted hammers or a 382 candle. So wait with patience. We are almost there. Once the price is in the zone, we will enter our sell trades. Here on Capital.com, I used to do analysis here when I start making videos on nat gas, but due to less data here on Capital.com, I started using Currency.com, but we still have enough data till 2017, so that is still fine to do our analysis on this platform. So almost there. Here as well, as you can see, the zone on this platform is 2.737, goes up to 2.814, from where we will enter sell trade. Whichever zone hit first, Ovanda or Capital.com, we will enter our trades accordingly. All I want to see a bearish signal, green and red candle, or maybe a next candle must be a green big engulfer, must fully engulf the previous candle. Once that happens, we are good to go short, and as you can see, the price is already hit the first top of this pattern right here. All I want to see a good bearish signal, and that signal will be, as I explained, bearish engulfers, 382 pin bar, or from this zone, double top entry pattern, the way I've just explained. So keep an eye here, enter with conditions only. Let's check gold. So I'm not trading gold for now because, as you can see, it's still ranging, not giving us any clear moves. I've already given you the zone. Now you need to mark this zone as well on your charts, just in case you missed it. It's 1944.99, goes up to 1959.67. Now once this zone is broken, I mean fully from this low, once this zone is broken, I will use this zone as my selling area. So all I want to see a pullback, retest of this zone and a bearish engulfer. So have all these zones on your charts. I've already mentioned all these zones in my yesterday's video, so check it out and have these zones and prepare yourself to take your trade as accurate as possible. So have these zones. Once we have a breakout above or below, we are good to go short or good to go long and enter our trades from these areas. Right, for silver, all I want to see, exactly as mentioned yesterday, a push up to my rejection area right here. Mark these rejection zones, and once we get a bearish signal here, we are good to go short. In that case, we have a good double top pattern. All I want to see a rejection from this zone with the pin bars, 382 candles, or bearish engulfers. Once we have that, we are good to go short. Stop loss will be above this rejection zone. Take profit wherever you want to take it. So have these zones and look for the conditions accordingly. Finally, we have crude oil. So as mentioned in my last video, I said that I'm only going to take long trades, and if you have spotted this entry, then you have made some money here, because I've clearly mentioned this entry, that take profit has been hit, and then this entry. Let me show you what I've said in my last video. My price is now pushing up. I'm still looking for buy trades from here. We can still get a pullback of few candles followed by bullish engulfer. Keep on taking longs until we hit the next level of minor resistance. Awesome. So when there is conditions, there is no need of hesitations. And as you can see, we had a nice entry condition again 2 times in a row, and would have entered here. ATR of this candle is 79, so 79 points up and 79 points below, so almost there, and I'm expecting a price to push up even further. So that is what we need to look at. Once the price push up again, I want to see a pullback and a red green candle, unless and until we hit the zone above right here. Crude oil is also ranging within this area, but we are getting some nice entry conditions here, nice entry condition here, twice here above 50 EMA. That is what I want to look for. Gold as well. If we get a conditions in consolidation like this, but a valid condition, we are good to go long or short. So once the price hit the zone above, we are good to go short. I'm still waiting for the price to hit my zone above to take my counter trades. A reversal trades, a zone above is 76.63, goes up to 78.90, from where I'm going to enter my reversal trade using engulfers or my double top entry confirmation. So that is it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value out of my videos. If yes, hit a like button, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.